Virgo, listen carefully now. Because the year that is unfolding before you carries a weight and a significance that your sign has not encountered in a generation. 2026 is not just another year. It is a portal to 12 key experiences that will define not just the months ahead, but the trajectory of everything that follows. These are not predictions made from guesswork or wishful thinking. These are the energetic blueprints that the universe has been drafting for you since long before you were born, blueprints that are finally, at this precise moment in time, ready to be activated. And you, Virgo, whether you feel ready or not, are the one who has been chosen to walk through them. Not because you are perfect, because you are prepared. Prepared by every hardship, every lesson, every quiet triumph, and every silent tear that brought you to this exact place, at this exact time, reading these exact words. Renewal 1. The first key experience that 2026 may bring you is a renewal of your relationship with your own body. Not a dramatic transformation, not a punishing regimen, not the kind of overhaul that burns bright for 2 weeks and then fades into another abandoned resolution. This is something deeper. A quiet reconnection with the physical vessel that has carried you through every storm, every celebration, every ordinary Tuesday of your remarkable life. You are going to begin listening to your body in ways you never have before, hearing its whispers instead of waiting for its screams. And what you hear will guide you toward changes that are gentle, sustainable, and profoundly effective. Changes that honor where your body is now rather than punishing it for not being where you think it should be. This renewal of your physical awareness is the foundation upon which many of the other experiences will be built, because a Virgo who is connected to their body is a Virgo who is connected to their power. Stillness 2. The second experience involves a discovery of stillness that will surprise you with its depth. You have always been a doer, Virgo, someone who equates value with productivity and worth with effort. But 2026 is going to introduce you to the radical power of not doing. Not laziness, not avoidance, not the guilty paralysis that sometimes follows exhaustion. True stillness. The kind that is chosen deliberately and inhabited fully. The kind that allows your nervous system to reset, your thoughts to settle, your emotions to clarify, and your spirit to speak in the voice that can only be heard when everything else goes quiet. This experience of stillness may arrive through circumstance, through a period where life simply slows down enough for you to stop running. Or it may arrive through practice, through a discipline of quiet that you adopt because something inside you recognizes its necessity. However it comes, embrace it without guilt. Because the stillness you find in 2026 will become the source from which all your future action flows. Reconnection 3. The third experience is a reconnection with someone from your past that carries significance you cannot yet fully comprehend. This is not a casual reunion or a nostalgic encounter. This is a crossing of paths that was orchestrated by something larger than coincidence. The person you reconnect with will bring something you need, a perspective, a piece of information, a quality of presence that is missing from your current life. And you will bring something they need as well, creating an exchange that benefits both parties in ways that will continue to unfold long after the initial reconnection occurs. This experience may feel emotional, even overwhelming, as old memories surface alongside new possibilities. Let it unfold without trying to control it. Discovery 4. The fourth experience that 2026 holds for you is the discovery of a talent or ability that you did not know you possessed. This might sound unlikely for someone who has spent a lifetime cataloging their strengths and weaknesses with Virgo-level precision. But there are aspects of you that have been dormant, waiting for exactly the right conditions to emerge. And 2026 provides those conditions. The talent that surfaces may be creative, may be analytical, may be relational, or may be something entirely unexpected. But when it appears, you will recognize it instantly as something that has always been there, hiding in plain sight, waiting for you to need it badly enough to notice it. Grief 5. The fifth experience is one that you may initially resist because it involves grief. Not necessarily the grief of losing someone, although that is possible. This is broader than that. This is the grief of letting go. Letting go of identities that no longer fit. Letting go of expectations that were never truly yours. Letting go of the version of your life that you planned so carefully and that turned out so differently from what you imagined. This grief is not something to be feared or avoided. It is something to be honored. Because grief is love with nowhere to go, And the things you are grieving mattered to you deeply. They deserved your investment, your hope, your dreams. And the fact that they did not turn out as planned does not diminish the love you poured into them. It simply means that something else is meant to receive that love now. Abundance 6. The sixth experience shifts the energy dramatically, because it involves a taste of abundance that may arrive from an unexpected source. This is not necessarily financial abundance, although it could include that. This is abundance in its purest form. An overwhelming sense of having enough. Enough time, enough energy, enough love, enough resources, enough support. For a Virgo who has spent most of their life operating from a scarcity mindset, always worried about running out, always rationing their resources, always calculating whether there would be enough to go round, this experience of abundance will be transformative. It will not just change your circumstances, it will change your beliefs about what is possible for you. Solitude 7. The seventh experience involves a period of productive solitude that, far from being lonely, becomes one of the most enriching chapters of your year. There will come a time in 2026 when circumstances arrange themselves so that you have more time alone than usual. And instead of filling that solitude with noise and distraction, you are going to inhabit it. You are going to sit with yourself, walk with yourself, eat with yourself, and discover that the company you have been running from all these years is actually the best company you could ever keep. In this solitude, you will meet parts of yourself that only emerge when no one else is watching. The dreamer, the philosopher, the child who still wonders at the beauty of ordinary things. These parts of you have been patiently waiting in the wings, and solitude gives them the stage. Mentorship 8. The eighth experience involves stepping into a mentorship role that you did not seek but that finds you anyway. Someone is going to look to you for guidance, and the wisdom you share with them will surprise you with its depth and clarity. You will say things you did not know you knew. You will offer perspectives you did not realize you had developed. And in the process of teaching, you will learn something essential about yourself. That the experiences you have accumulated, the ones you sometimes dismiss as merely surviving, have actually made you one of the wisest people in whatever room you happen to occupy. This mentorship will not feel like a burden, because the person who seeks your guidance will do so with genuine respect and receptivity. They will not drain you. They will energize you. If what you're hearing feels accurate, imagine what could happen if you applied this energy intentionally for 21 consecutive days. That's exactly what the 21-day program in the pinned comment is built for. Daily guidance, focused direction, and real momentum. If you're tired of staying in the same cycle, this is your structure. Boundary 9. The ninth experience is the setting of a boundary so clear and so firm that it surprises everyone, including you. There is a situation in your life where you have been accommodating something unacceptable, not because you did not recognize it as unacceptable, but because the cost of addressing it seemed higher than the cost of enduring it. In 2026, that calculation reverses. The cost of continued tolerance becomes unbearable, and from that unbearability arises a strength you did not know you had. You will draw a line, clearly, calmly, without drama or apology. And while the initial reaction from others may include shock or resistance, the ultimate result will be a profound liberation that confirms what you always knew. You were never meant to carry that particular weight. Forgiveness 10. The 10th experience carries a tenderness that will catch you off guard, because it involves forgiveness. Specifically, the forgiveness of yourself. There is something you have been holding against yourself for a very long time. A mistake, a failure, a choice that haunts you in quiet moments. In 2026, the conditions will arise for you to finally, truly, completely release it. Not because you decide to forgive yourself through an act of will, although that helps, but because you gain a perspective on that old wound that makes forgiveness the only rational response. You see the bigger picture. You understand the pressures you were under. You recognize the information you did not have. And from that understanding, compassion flows naturally, like water finding its level. Joy 11. The 11th experience is the return of a joy that you thought had left your life permanently. Not happiness which comes and goes with circumstances. Joy, the deep, abiding, cellular-level delight in being alive that you may not have felt since childhood. This joy does not arrive because everything in your life becomes perfect. It arrives because you become available to it. Because the grief has been honored, the boundaries have been set, the forgiveness has been given, and the stillness has been practiced. All of that inner work creates a cleared space within you, and joy rushes in to fill it the way air rushes into a vacuum. You will feel it in unexpected moments, while watching light move across a wall, while listening to a piece of music that touches something ancient in your soul, while holding the hand of someone you love and realizing, with crystalline clarity, that this moment is enough. Intuition 12. The 12th experience is the full activation of an intuitive capacity that has been developing slowly throughout your entire life. In 2026, it reaches a tipping point where it becomes impossible to ignore or dismiss. Your gut feelings become sharper. Your dreams become more vivid and more meaningful. Your sense of timing becomes almost supernatural in its precision. You begin to trust the intelligence of your body and your spirit alongside the intelligence of your mind, creating a triple alliance of perception that makes you extraordinarily discerning. This intuitive activation does not replace your analytical gifts. It complements them in the most beautiful way imaginable, like a melody finding its harmony. Courage 13. The 13th experience involves a decision that requires more courage than you think you possess, and the discovery that you possess far more courage than you thought. This decision may be large or small in the eyes of the world, but it is monumental in the context of your personal journey. It is the kind of decision that divides your life into before and after. The kind that you cannot unmake and would not want to even if you could. The kind that scares you deeply, not because the outcome is uncertain, but because you know exactly what it will cost and you are choosing to pay that price anyway. This courage, Virgo, is not borrowed or manufactured. It is yours, forged in the furnace of every difficult experience you have ever faced and tempered by the quiet determination that is the hallmark of your sign. Legacy 14. The 14th experience is the planting of a seed that will grow into something that outlasts you. This is a legacy moment, though it may not feel like one at the time. It might be a conversation that changes the trajectory of someone else's life. It might be a creative work that captures something true. It might be a choice that sets in motion a chain of events reaching far beyond your ability to trace. Whatever form it takes, this experience connects you to the larger stream of life, reminding you that your existence is not isolated or insignificant, but woven into a tapestry of meaning that extends in every direction, backward to those who came before and forward to those who will follow. Some people watch, others transform. If you want to be in the second group, the 21-day guide in the pinned comment gives you a clear step-by-step process aligned with your sign. This isn't about waiting, it's about moving. Acceptance 15. The 15th experience brings you to a place of acceptance that is not defeat but triumph. There are things in your life that you cannot change, Virgo. Things you have been fighting against, railing against, grinding your teeth against for years. And in 2026, you are going to stop fighting. Not because you give up, because you grow up. You develop the wisdom to distinguish between what can be changed through effort and what can only be changed through surrender. And you surrender, gracefully, peacefully, with the quiet dignity of someone who understands that acceptance is not weakness, but the highest form of intelligence. Trust 16. The 16th experience is the deepening of a trust in life itself that transforms your relationship with the future. Instead of approaching tomorrow with anxiety and suspicion, you begin to approach it with curiosity and openness. Not because you become naive or reckless, but because the evidence of your own experience has finally become too overwhelming to ignore. Life has taken care of you, Virgo. Even when it felt like it was destroying you, it was actually rebuilding you. And the trust that grows from this recognition is the kind that cannot be shaken by temporary setbacks or momentary fears. It is bedrock trust, the kind you can build an entire remaining lifetime upon. Connection 17. The 17th experience involves a connection with the natural world that reawakens something primal and essential within you. You will find yourself drawn to nature in ways you have not been drawn in years. To the rhythm of seasons, to the wisdom of trees, to the patience of rivers, to the stubborn beauty of flowers pushing through concrete. This connection is not decorative. It is medicinal. It is the universe prescribing exactly what your overworked, overthinking, overresponsible Virgo soul needs most. The reminder that you are part of something vast and ancient and perfectly ordered, and that you do not need to manage any of it. You just need to belong to it. Clarity 18. The 18th experience is a moment of such profound clarity that it deserves to be called an epiphany. Something you have been struggling to understand for years, maybe decades, suddenly makes sense. The puzzle pieces that have been scattered across the floor of your consciousness suddenly leap into formation, creating a picture so clear and so complete that you wonder how you ever failed to see it. This clarity does not arrive through effort or analysis. It arrives through grace, the way dawn arrives, gradually, inevitably, and with a beauty that no amount of planning could ever produce. Piece 19. The 19th experience is the discovery of a peace that does not depend on external conditions. This is perhaps the most revolutionary of all 12 experiences because it shatters the assumption that has governed most of your life, the assumption that you can only be at peace when everything is in order. In 2026, you discover that peace and disorder can coexist, that you can be at peace even when the house is messy, the finances are uncertain, the relationships are complicated, and the future is unknown. This peace comes from within, from a place so deep that the storms of circumstance cannot reach it. And once you find it, once you learn to access it, nothing will ever have the same power over you again. Wholeness 20. The 20th and final experience is the one that contains all the others, the one that gives meaning and shape to everything that has come before. It is the experience of wholeness, not the wholeness of having everything figured out, the wholeness of embracing everything you are. The light and the shadow, the strength and the vulnerability, the wisdom and the wonder, the precision and the passion, all of it, Virgo. Every contradiction, every complexity, every beautiful, imperfect, utterly human part of you welcomed home. And in that wholeness, you find something you have been searching for your entire life without ever quite being able to name it. You find yourself, the real, complete, magnificent yourself, the one who was hiding beneath the endless striving and the relentless self-improvement and the chronic feeling that you were not quite good enough. That person was there all along, waiting with infinite patience for this exact moment. The moment when you finally stop trying to be better and start being whole. That moment is 2026. That moment is now. And that moment, Virgo, is yours. You have two options after this video. Close it and hope things shift, or decide that the next 21 days will be different. If you choose the second, the structured 21-day transformation aligned with your sign is waiting in the pinned comment. The energy is already moving, the only question is whether you are.